To check your transaction history on Etsy, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find the information you need. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Before changing your settings, use the Etsy.com link in the description to open a password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 2. Go to your Shop Manager. Once logged in, locate the Shop Manager option on the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access the dashboard where you can manage your shop and view your transactions. Step 3. Select Finances. In the Shop Manager, find the Finances section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to reveal options related to your financial activities, including your transaction history. Step 4. Click on Payment Account. Under the Finances section, select Payment Account. This will take you to a page where you can view your payment details, including your transaction history. Step 5. Review your transaction history. On the Payment Account page, scroll down to find your transaction history. Here, you can see all past transactions, including sales, fees, and deposits. You can filter the transactions by date or type for easier navigation. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Etsy. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore Etsy's Help Center or reach out to the support team.